You ask me what I like about Texas, I tell you it's a wide open spaces. It's everything between the Sabine and the Rio Grande. It's a Llano Estacado, it's the Brazos and the Colorado. It's the spirit of the people who share this land. And it's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas, it's the big timber round Nacogdoches, driving El Camino Real down to San Antone. It's the river walking me tierras, jamming out with Bongo Joe, the stories of the Menger Hotel and the Alamo. You remember the Alamo? It's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas, it's blue bonnets and Indian paintbrushes. It's swimming in the sacred waters of Barton Springs. It's body surfing the Frio, it's Saturday night in Del Rio. It's crossing over the border for some cultural exchange. Yeah! It's another burrito, it's a cold Lone Star in my hand. It's a quarter for the jukebox boys, play the sons of the mother-loving bunkhouse band. Bunkhouse band. Well, you ask me what I like about Texas. Well, I could tell you, but we'd be here all night long.
Them Texas fields were hot, and that tractor never was my kind of living. And when I hit 16, I had my sights, and I hit the road to freedom. And I'm glad I wasn't there to see my mama, 'cause she must have cried for hours. I still hear her saying, "Gary, get your guitar, pick the wildwood flower." Now Dallas, it was big and hard to find a job, and so I didn't. It was easier to hitch a ride to Houston, and it was more like living. Now I've been down every road, and I've stood on every porch where they were giving. Or a dime, I would pick the wildwood flower. It's hard to turn around and look back down the roads that I have traveled, 'cause like a never-ending ball of twine, my dreams have come unraveled. And now as evening lays its shawl across the shoulders of my life, I have to find I couldn't tie my